want you to shift by your
Why is it doing
Jules.
I don't like it.
Jules.
Why is it doing
Jules.
It's
Jules.
doing that?
Put more throttle, put gas. Jules, clutch.
I'm sorry.
Clutch in,
Too
Jules.
much to think about.
So now the car died. Just
Wait, it's rolling.
Yeah, you put the brake.
Oh my gosh, what if I stall in the middle of the street?
That's alright, there's nobody here. There you go.
Okay.
Oh
my god, Nathan, help! Hurry!
Oh no, Jules, in the middle of the road. What am I getting myself into? Today, I'm going to be teaching my little sister how to drive manual. And what is a better car to do it in than my 1200 horsepower Shelby GT500 Mustang. As you guys have seen in my past videos, I just got my build up and running. It is a wide body from Shelby American. It has 1200 horses. It has the Nardo gray wrap and a lot of Super Snake upgrades. And I'm super happy to go ahead and show you guys the full build process. So if you want to see more to come, because this engine is capable of 1500 horsepower, subscribe down below and give it a big thumbs up because we've got a lot more to come. But today we're going to do a pretty entertaining video because we're all locked up in the house and have nothing to do. And my sister wanted to learn how to drive manual in my car, which is absolutely insane, but we're gonna go ahead and do it anyways. As you guys have seen in my previous video when we did the full throttle reaction.
Oh my god, this thing is gonna
This is her car, which is actually in a worse condition than I showed you guys previously, but she only has been driven this car for 1 month. And of course it is an automatic Ford Escape hybrid, and underneath the hood comes equipped with a 2.3 liter motor from Ford. And she's been driving this, not the best driver. However, my supercharger alone is a 3.6 liter supercharger. So my supercharger alone is bigger than her full motor. This thing is an animal pushing 1200 horsepower, 1500 capable, and she's gonna be driving this as her first manual car. It's gonna be so cool. Rest in peace to my clutch as well as my transmission, which honestly gives me a good excuse to go ahead and swap it out for a built TR6060 or a McLeod triple disc clutch. So who knows what happens to my transmission and my clutch, but I really hope everything stays together in one piece. Here it goes, ladies and gents. All right, Jules, there's some things that you have to know when driving a manual. There's a lot of things that you need to learn while driving a manual, and I'm no teacher, so this is gonna be a disaster. First off, I don't even know where to start, Jules. Look at you, you're like pressed up against, hold on. You guys would not believe what kind of shoes she used on her first day of driving a manual. You're on sandals, you didn't?
I'm gonna take off my sandals. Don't look at my toes! Ah!
Jules, why are you wearing sandals?
Okay, I'll go barefoot,
No, that's even worse.
Zoom in on my toes!
I won't zoom in on your toes. She's insecure about her feet. Alright, adjust the seat so that you can put this pedal. Do you know what this pedal is, Jules?
No.
You have, that's the clutch.
Oh, I cannot do this with my sandals on.
Jules,
I'm sorry.
Okay. Oh my gosh,
Why
you're about to do it barefoot. Are you kidding me, Jules? Barefoot, controlling 1200 horsepower manually. What did I get myself into? All right, now can you press it all the way down?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. There you Jules, Are you kidding? This GT500 is actually a really easy car to drive. One of the best cars to learn how to drive manual, because anybody with a new Mustang understands that Ford made these manuals super easy to control and super easy to start learning. It's not like the older manuals where rolling back, stalling, and shooting forward was an issue. So honestly, this Mustang is not gonna be hard for her. At least I hope. Okay. What you want to do, can you
kind of see my feet?
Can you see your feet down there?
I can feel all the pedals.
Shows, I'm gonna zoom up on your toe.
No!
Alright, so what you're gonna do to start the car, you have a handbrake, you have the clutch, brake, throttle, the stick shift. So what you're gonna do is put the keys in the car, Jules.
You can't go wrong with this.
This is not like starting up. Okay, so you know automatic, you just start it and it goes, right?
Yeah.
This one, you have to put the clutch all the way down. So put the clutch all the way down. Okay, and then after you do that, press the brake too. So brake and clutch. Okay, now that you have the brake and clutch, you have to make sure that the shifter is in manual. So you have to wiggle it. That's how you know. The TR6060, the transmission on this GT500, is probably one of the most beefiest out in the market. So you really have to have some strength controlling this thing. Dang, that doesn't even wiggle, huh? You really have to wiggle it. Anyways, that's how you know you're in neutral. Now turn the car on. Okay, there you go.
I did it!
First time starting it up. Okay, so now what you're gonna go ahead and do is take off the e-brake.
Okay. Oh my god.
Come on, Jules, there you go. Let me correct my last statement. Everything about this car is beefy. Throttle, brakes, clutch, transmission, you name it. This GT500 has the biggest everything. Okay, so now that you have that, I want you to feel the throttle. So give it a little gas. Give it a little gas, just a little bit.
Okay.
There you go, okay. Jules, when you drive the car, there's something called boost and then there's vacuum. So right now the engine is vacuuming the air.
Okay.
If you get into boost, we're gonna be flying. So be easy with the throttle, be like gentle, really gentle, okay? I was so scared she was gonna get into boost. You had no idea. If she got into boost, let me tell you, we would have gone flying. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is put into gear. So brake, clutch all the way down. Okay, now put this into first. So you're gonna go all the way left and up. There we go, okay.
I did it.
Jules, scared me, okay. Now what you're gonna go ahead and do, since we're even, like on a little plane, you can take your foot off the brake, but keep it on the clutch. Don't let go of the clutch. Off the brake, okay.
Oh, we're not moving.
We're not moving. Jules, this is the hard part, okay? So you're gonna gently, like really gently let go of the clutch. And when you feel that the car is moving, put a little bit of gas. Tiny bit of gas. Okay, so when you feel the car moving, is it moving?
No. Wait. Oh my gosh, wait.
Okay, a little bit of gas. Not a lot. No. Jules. Okay,
I didn't do it. I barely touched it.
Okay. Now let go of the clutch, but keep on the gas steady. Oh my gosh, you're doing this on your first try, Jules.
I'm
moving. On our first try. Okay, now you can let go of the clutch and then just normal.
There's a beep.
Jules.
There's a beep. I don't know what's happening.
Oh, Jules, you're going. You're going, Jules. It's my seatbelt. Oh my gosh, Jules, on your first try. Okay.
I'm a pro.
Okay. I was so surprised she got it on her first try. No joke. But now let's try second gear. Jules, you did this your first.
Yes.
What the heck?
I'm amazing.
Oh my, dude, this is so crazy. I did not know you're gonna do this on your first try. Are you kidding me, Jules?
I'm turning.
Okay, yeah, turn this way. Okay, now what we're gonna go ahead and do is go into second gear. So give it a little bit more gas. A little. Oh. Go a little bit faster. You could just let go of the clutch. You're already rolling. When you're rolling, you can let go of the clutch.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay. So now what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna let go of the throttle. You're gonna put the clutch in. I'm gonna put in second gear, and then you throttle it again. Okay? I'll do it. Clutch down. Let go of throttle. Okay. Now throttle. In that throttle. Now you're in second gear, Jules. It is so good. Take a left. This is crazy, Jules. All right, she got the fundamentals down. Now it's time to have her shift her own gears because I'm done shifting it for her. We'll put her to the real test right now. Oh, you're going, Jules. And second gear goes faster. Oh, you screwed up.
Well, now we.
Jules, clutch.
I'm sorry.
Clutch in, Jules.
Too much to think about.
So now the car died, Jules. Just
Wait, it's
still
rolling.
Yeah, put the brake. Okay. So what you're gonna go in and do, we're gonna reverse back all the way straight. You gotta make sure it's in. Perfect. Okay. There you go. And then you're gonna go backwards. Just go straight. I'll tell you where to go. Oh,
I didn't do anything.
Rest in peace, my clutch. All right, so now put it in neutral. I'm gonna let you put it in neutral. So with the brake and clutch down, bring down the shifter.
Okay.
Just bring down. Okay, not all. You're in 6th gear now.
Oh my God.
So put it in the middle. Put it like feel it in the middle. There you go. Now wiggle it. Wiggle it. Wiggle. There you go. That's how you wiggle it. Okay. So now we got to go into 1st gear. So brake and clutch all the way down, and then put the thing all the way left and up. Beautiful. All right, now let go of the clutch and then put a little bit of throttle and then make this turn. Hey, that's so good, Jules. You're doing so good. This is incredible, Jules. All right, let's go. Okay, now roll a little bit and then clutch all the way down and then put into 2nd gear. I want you to put into 2nd gear.
Clutch all the way down.
And then
2nd gear.
And now do the little let go of clutch and put a little bit of throttle.
Okay.
There you go, Jules. Let go of the clutch. Hey, oh, there you go. You got it. You got it, Jules. You're doing so good.
Oh my God, that was so much fun.
You're doing it. This is incredible, Jules. I didn't even know you would be able to do it. Now you're driving. Dude, that's crazy.
Now I can use your car.
On your, yeah, right. Yeah, right. That's crazy. 2nd. You want to go on the streets, Jules?
No.
She was doing way too good. We had to go on the streets. So
oh my gosh, what if I stole in the middle of the street?
It's all right. There's nobody here. You got this, Jules. You're doing so good. There you go, oh!
I'm sorry.
Too much throttle. Too much throttle.
Man. What am I doing?
No, you're doing good. Okay, now let go of the clutch a little bit and then throttle. Okay, well that's a little bit. That's a little bit.
People. Help!
Jules, there's people. Okay, you got this. Just a little bit. Take it slow.
I don't have my feet on anything.
You don't?
No.
How's the car running? Oh, you're neutral, that's why.
Nay.
Okay, so clutch down, and then put this in 1st gear. No, that's 3rd gear, Jules. So you have to go left and then up. There you go.
Okay,
all
now.
Right. Slowly let go. There you go.
Okay.
Oh
my God, Nathan, help! Hurry!
Oh no, Jules. So now I'm gonna put her to the test. She's gonna do everything, and we're gonna go for about a mile drive on the public road. Start up with braking. Beautiful. So now that you have that, you want to make sure you're in 1st gear. Okay. You're in neutral right now. So clutch all the way down, all the way left, and then up. Beautiful. All right. Now that you have that, release the brake and then slowly release the clutch. Car's moving. Now this is a piece of cake. Just like as soon as you put a little bit of throttle and then you can release the clutch. There you go, Jules. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, I want you to shift by your.
Why is it doing? Jules, I don't like it.
Jules,
why is it doing?
Jules, put more throttle, put gas.
Wait,
okay.
Why is it?
Clutch in, clutch in, brake. Clutch,
why
brake.
is it doing that? Oh my God, that was so mean.
All right, so it does that because it's not getting enough gas, and then it gets a lot of gas, so you have to like be smooth with it. Okay, so clutch.
Okay, wait, brake.
Brake off, clutch up slowly. Oh, not too much throttle. Not too much throttle now. So the car's already moving, so you can just lift the clutch slowly and then put a tiny bit of throttle. Okay. Oh, hold on. You're about to launch this thing. No. This has 1,200 horsepower.
Okay,
so you're moving already. So let go of the clutch and just be nice with the throttle. Be nice with the throttle.
Okay.
There you go.
The throttle now?
Yeah. Oh. There you go.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, there you go.
I got it.
You sure you got it?
Oh.
Okay. Now clutch down, throttle up, and then put this into 2nd gear.
Clutch down, throttle up, 2.
Okay, now let go of the clutch.
Okay.
You're in 2nd gear. Let's go.
Wait, am I pressing?
No, you're doing good, Jules. You're doing real good.
These people are gonna judge me.
So you're in 2nd gear. Now do the same thing. Put into 3rd gear. So clutch down, and then put into 3rd gear.
Is that 3rd?
I hope so. I really hope so. If you're in 1st, Jules, you'll know.
And then you let go of the clutch.
Yeah, let go of clutch.
Oh, and then a little bit of throttle.
Okay, clutch and brake.
Okay, clutch and then brake.
Yep, clutch and brake.
Oh.
All right, so we're gonna go straight. I have no idea where we're going, Jules, but.
And if I get a ticket, you're paying for it.
You have your license, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. She absolutely nailed it. I cannot believe it. We have one final test, and that's moving this car on an incline. So Jelena did way too good, and to solidify her manual driving skills, we put the Shelby at an incline. This is not the sharpest incline, but if you could nail manual driving starting on a hill, you officially receive the stamp of approval from all manual owners. So again, we're on an incline right now. We'll see if she can move the car and take it up the rest of the driveway. Now this car has a cheat code. It has what is called auto lock. If the car detects that it is on an incline, it will lock the car so that it will prevent it from moving back. She has the benefit of this auto lock. I hope she could use it to move this car on an incline. So
okay,
clutch, brake, car on. Okay. Now e-brake off, but keep the brake on there.
I hate this. I hate
Jules,
this
you need
so
muscle.
much. Oh my gosh.
Jules,
wait, are you serious?
Okay. Now again, the car's only gonna stop it for like a couple seconds, so you're gonna have to feel it out, and you're not gonna feel the car go forward because it's leaning.
Oh my god.
So Jules, you're gonna fail real bad at this. You're gonna fail.
You owe me 20 bucks if I can do this right.
All right, if you could do it, you get all the YouTube revenue, Jules.
Ooh. Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Now gas. Gas. Okay. You did good. You did. See how you released the brake?
Yes.
You released the brake, and then the car wasn't moving because it has that auto lock feature.
Yes.
So go ahead and try doing it one more time. Okay. When you do the throttle, you also have to do the clutch. So you also have to release the clutch.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So
you're gonna basically be doing this. You're gonna be going like this.
Okay.
So clutch is releasing while the throttle is going down. Okay. You got this, Jules. Okay. Oh,
I don't like it.
You can do it. Oh. Okay. You got this, Jules. Perfect. You're doing good. Okay. Clutch. Yeah, you did it. More throttle. Yeah.
I did it.
Oh. You did it, Jules.
I did it.
Now tell the audience what you thought about driving manual, Jules, for the first time ever. Easy money. You did it so.
Car to go to
yeah,
the
right.
store
You
now,
wish.
and the mall.
This is a grocery getter. Easy money. Anything else?
It was also scary and a lot to think
It was
about.
scary.
And I can't think that much while I'm driving because I'm not that good at
There was a lot of stuff going on, huh?
Yes, but other than that, easy.
Would you ever get into boost in this car, Jules? Now that you've been experiencing it? Or are you too scared? Or you're not ready for that, huh?
No.
You're not ready to go into boost?
Not
We
ready.
need a wide open thing to go into boost with this thing.
Yeah.
Any last words, Jules?
Oh,
and you got to do an outro like you did last time.
Okay. I'm coming for all of you race car drivers.
Yep. Call out everybody.
If I steal your car. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow my brother and everything. Yes.
Well, you did way better than the last one, Jules.
I did.
Awesome. All right. Now put your hand on the camera to close it out.
Ooh.